Ebi Kanyesigye yagambo by'abana bugana abanyamakuru aharakati kato muri Kampala.
So kwetembo yitwa kwanje kuri aha bintu ebigenzire omukaruuru keitu kushanga abakora mu NRM benyine tubetiriyo primaries kandi bo bayine bakora na opponent wanje. Ekyo kibe kitari kintu kirungi nkapate abo kwa pate they are supposed to be neutral batine ekibaru mucyona konka shanga nubari a front line. Ekyo nkimanyisa ki, what does that mean, what does that show? Ngwene benda kutwereka ngubo mu NRM kuza kujo mu primaries mabakoze decision on candidate obarkwenda.
Kanyesigye nagira ngo akarura kakabiri katari mu mazima gonna kandi nagira ngo taraze mu NRM tribunal ahabwe enshonge za kushobora.
If the intimidation happened before voting, honestly there is no way how you can run to the tribunal if they intimidated young people. They were putting them from my line to their line, so it is very hard. It is very hard for you to contest.
Honorable Kanyesigye Mercy won. It was other regions that let us down, and we are calling ourselves winners. And for us, we said when she was consulting, we gave a very brilliant name to her, Agabo. Agabo means Honorable Kanyesigye Mercy has won, and indeed we meant what we had pronounced when she was consulting.
Like in my district, Omoro, we have 20 voters, but 15 voted for Mercy Kanyesigye. 4 voted for Diana, then 1 said he is undecided.
Oguhati aranjiriro kwebuza haminyeto okurebe cyara koraseho amakuraga gasha kwa Jimmy Muhumza.
Omoro oye.